Boys, now today we'll start exercise 4D of chapter 4 integers from R.S.Agarwal book. So today we'll start with question number 1, sum number 10. We'll do sum number 10 of question number 1. So what we have to do in question number 1? We have to multiply students. Okay, so what we have in question number 10, we have to multiply minus 746 by, with what we have to multiply? Minus 8. Very easy question. So in place of y, what we have to write? We have to put multiplication sign, and then we have to write minus 8. First of all, we have to multiply the sign. That is minus is what? Plus. It is not mandatory that you have to give plus sign, but I am writing. Fine. So minus is plus. Now you have to multiply 746 into 8, and rough also you can do. So 6 8s are 48, 4, 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36, 8 7s are 56 plus 3, 59. That means your answer is 5, 9, 6, 8. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 10 of question number 1. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Question number 2, sum number 5. In question number 2, we have 3 numbers, all are in negative signs, all are with negative sign, and we have to multiply these all numbers. So how to do it? So first of all, you multiply these 2 numbers first. Okay, that is minus 3 into minus 7. First of all, we'll remove all the brackets. Minus 3 into minus 7 into minus 6. Fine, so we have to multiply these 2 numbers, isn't it? So first of all, what we have to do? We have to multiply the sign. Minus plus 3 7s are 21. Now we'll write this part. That is into minus 6. Now, in the next step, we have to give the result of these 2 numbers, the product of these 2 numbers. That is plus, minus, will be minus. 21 into 6 is 126. Okay. So this is a solution of sum number 5 of question number 2. Now let's move to question number 4, sum number 1. Now students, in question number 4, we have to verify. Verify means we have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. That is, the value of LHS should match with the value of RHS. Okay, so this side is left hand side, this side is right hand side. Okay, so now we'll put a partition here. We'll write LHS here. Okay, and here this side we'll write RHS. Okay, so what is there in LHS? We'll write it down. 18 into 9 plus minus 7. And what is there in RHS? 18 into 9 plus 18 into minus 7. Okay, now we'll try to solve it. Now first of all, we have to solve this bracket, this square bracket, but inside the square bracket there is one first bracket is there. We have to first open this. So 18 into 9 plus minus is minus. Now we have to solve this. That is 18 into 9 minus 7 is 2. 18 2s are 36. So LHS answer is 36. Now let's see what would be the answer of RHS. So 18 9s is what? 9 is 72, isn't it? 2 7 162 plus 18 7s are 126. That is minus 126, because 18 is plus minus is minus. So 18 7s are 126. Okay, now we'll open this bracket. Plus minus. So 162 minus 126, and if you subtract this, you will get the answer as 36. So see, both the side having the same answer. So how to conclude? That is, therefore LHS equals to RHS, isn't it? And then you will write verify. Then you will say verify. Okay, as both the side are having the same answer, so this is how you have verified this sum. Fine. Now let's move on to the next sum. That is question number 7, sum number 3. Okay, now in question number 7, we'll do these 2 sums. That is sum number 3 and sum number 7. Let's start with this one. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to multiply these two numbers. So what will be the answer? Plus minus is minus, and 30 into 22 would be 660. Okay, plus 30 into 14 is what? 420. Okay, now plus minus is minus, so if you do minus here, 420, you see 402, 240 is the answer. But which number is greater? 660 is greater, and it is having minus sign, so answer would be in negative notation. Okay, now this is the answer of sum number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 7. Same way we have to do, we have to first multiply these two numbers, that is minus 27 into minus, just a minute students, so 27 into 16, 27 into 16, so 27 into 16 would be what? Just a minute. 432. And why 432? Because minus minus is plus, isn't it? So I'm not putting minus plus sign here. 27 into 16 is 432. Now we'll put this plus sign here. Now what will be the result? 27 into 14. So the product of 27 into 14 would be 378. 378. Okay, that is minus minus is again plus. 27 into 14 is 378. Now finally we have to add this. So answer would be 810. Isn't it? 810. 432 plus 378, 810. Okay students, so that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and take care.